this is the key fob. The way that this key pops up out of here reminds me of a switchblade. I put the key in ignition and I had to check to make sure the car was on because this car is so quiet. Apple CarPlay on deck. I'm driving a 2019 Kia Sorento LX. Quick gas stop. I recorded this entire video with my iPhone. Mother and son are Target shopping today. This is more like a quick Target errand run. I just need to purchase a few items for the home and a few food items as well. Double click to unlock. I'm not happy with the amount of trunk space in this Kia Sorento. The things that I do like about this vehicle is the fact that it has a third row, a V6, the Apple CarPlay, the technology in this car in general, and I also like the fact that it's all-wheel drive. for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to Keiota Studio on YouTube if you haven't already, and watch this video as many times as you want. Watch my next video.